Hi, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set wallpaper on your Android mobile home screen and lock screen. Okay, so let's get started. So for this, first you need to open settings, then scroll down a little bit and go to wallpaper. Okay, here you can see there are plenty of wallpapers. There are some editors pick. If you click on more, then you can see there are plenty of wallpapers which is already pre-installed on your phone. Okay, you can choose either one of them. You just click on it and see the preview how it's look, or how it will look once you apply this wallpaper on your phone or home screen or lock screen. Okay, so there are lots of options. You can check on the section new. There will be plenty of wallpapers. There are some system wallpapers. You can click on it, and if you want to apply this wallpaper, then just click on it. You can see it, how it will look. And if you click on apply, then you need to choose you want to set this as lock screen or home screen. If you want to set this as lock screen, then click on lock screen. If you want to set this at home screen, then click on home screen. And if you want to set this as both lock screen and home screen, then click on set both. Okay, and this wallpaper will be applied as your home screen wallpaper as well as lock screen wallpaper. Okay, you can see it has applied on your lock screen also. Okay, so now if you want to set your any particular pictures as your wallpaper, then go to gallery and choose that picture. For my case, I have selected these pictures and I will be applying these pictures as my wallpaper. So for this I need to click on this three dot. Here you can see set as wallpaper, click on it. Okay, now you can reposition your pictures as per your likings. Okay, so if you want to change the position a little bit, then change it to as per your liking, then click on apply. Okay, so I want to set this as only home screen. So if I want to set this as home screen, then I need to click on set home screen. And you know that if you want to set this at both home screen and lock screen, then you need to click on set both. But in this case I want to only set this as home screen, then I will click on home screen. And you can see the home screen has been applied. I will come back to my home page. You can see this picture has been applied as wallpaper on my home screen. Okay, so this is how you need to set your picture or any photo as your wallpaper on home screen and lock screen. I hope this video helps. If you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.